Hello class, welcome back second grade. It's super nice to be here one more time. I'm super ready to start with this new week and I hope that you are too. So as you might know, this week we are going to be doing reviews, so you are going to be more than ready for the exam on Friday. So please listen to this is super important. This week we are going to be doing like some games, some activities, but nothing for the notebook, okay? These games are going to be answered orally and later I'm going to explain more about it. But remember that you don't need to copy anything on your notebook. You just need to remember that if you have actividades atrasadas, you can send them, you have enough time to do them. So please, it's super important also that you are ready for the exams. So I hope that you pay enough attention, that you feel ready, and if you have any questions about any topic or you don't understand something that I say, please ask me and of course I will be glad to help you. So today we're going to start with one of the first topics that we learned in Unit 5. And Unit 5 was called My Dream Job. So this is what we are going to review today. Not the vocabulary, but we're going to learn to say, or we are going to review about how to make sentences when you want to say, what do you want to be? Okay, so we are going to review about wants to or want to. I want to be, she wants to be. Remember that it's always important, as you can see in here, it's always important to pay attention to the subjects. For example, if the subject is he or she, you need to use wants to be. But if the subject is I, you, we, they, we're going to use want to be with no S like they have. Okay, so this is the main structure, this is the main thing that you should know. It's super important and you might never forget this. It's really easy and you've been doing an excellent job. So remember that the key, la clave, is the subject, okay? He, she wants to be. I, you, we, they want to be, okay? So for example, if we have use want to be or wants to be, I want to be a singer, okay? I want to be a singer. My subject is I. For that reason, we are going to use want to be. And then a singer. Then you are going to write the job that you are going to talk about. So the main formula to make these sentences is that you need to pay attention to the subject that is always going to be at the beginning of the sentence. El sujeto siempre va a estar al inicio de las oraciones. Then, next to the subject, you are going to write want to be or wants to be depending on the subject. And then when you write I want to be a, or depending a or an, if the job begins with a vowel, you're going to choose, for example, I want to be a singer or she wants to be an actress. In this case, we're using an because the job starts with another vowel. Okay, recuerda que vowel is, son las vocales, okay? So in this case, we're using wants to be because of course the subject is she, okay? He wants to be a vet. He wants to be a vet, okay? And then we have you want to be an actor, okay? One more time we have a job that starts with a vowel. So for that reason, we're using an. Okay, excellent job. So I have more examples in here about more jobs or want to be or wants to be. For example, it says one more time, he wants to be a vet. Okay, remember, wants to be. I want to be an athlete. I want to be. One more time we have an because the next one is a vowel. Okay, and we want to be teachers. We want to be teachers, okay? Remember, we is always going to use want to. They want to be chefs, and that's it, okay? If there's any more questions about this topic, please tell me, teacher, I don't get it yet, I didn't get it. You can send me a message, please. But now I think we are ready to play a game, and let's see, like, this is not homework, this is a game that we are going to do together, and it says let's play, choose only one option. Okay, so in the next activities I'm going to be showing you a sentence and two options, and you need to choose one and say it aloud. Como las veces anteriores de repasos de exámenes, yo te voy a estar presentando unas oraciones y te voy a dar, esta vez te voy a dar respuestas, 2 respuestas, 3 respuestas, y tú tienes que elegir la opción correcta. No es necesario que escribas esto, no necesitas copiar esto en la libreta, en el cuaderno, pero sí necesito, por favor, que en casita estés repitiendo o diciendo en voz alta la respuesta para que esto te sirva como repaso y estés listísimo para el examen. ¿Ok? Recuerda, no tienes nada que entregar, no hay que entregar nada esta semana, a lo mejor hasta el viernes, pero sí es muy importante que prestes mucha atención a esto y lo vayas haciendo junto conmigo para que juntos podamos repasar. ¿Ok? Are you ready for the game? Recuerda igual que si el tiempo que estoy dando entre cada pregunta no es suficiente para que tú decidas cuál es la mejor respuesta, puedes pasar a pausar el video cuando yo lea la pregunta o la oración y tomarte el tiempo que necesitas para elegir tu respuesta. Una vez que tengas la respuesta, puedes ponerle play al video o reproducirlo otra vez para que continuemos con las respuestas, ¿ok? Are you ready for the game? Yes. So, the first one says, she, blank, be a dentist. She want or wants? Is it she want to be a dentist? She wants to be a dentist? What's the correct option? Do you know that? So, the correct option is she wants to be a dentist. Very good. Excellent job. The next one. I, blank, be a vet. I want to be a vet. Or I want to be a vet. Which one is the correct option? Do you know it? Okay. If your answer was I want to be a vet, excellent job, very good. Next one, Laura, blank, to be a chef. Remember, what is Laura? It's a girl, it's a boy. Is it plural? Is it singular? Laura, of course, is the name of a girl, so it means it's singular, she. So the correct answer is Laura, blank, to be a chef or to be chef. If your answer was Laura wants to be a chef, excellent job, kids, very good. Okay, next one. They, blank, to be dancers. They want to be or they want to be. You tell me which one is the correct option. If your answer was they want to be dancers, excellent job, very good. Okay, we are almost there. We are almost finishing, and it says, I, blank, be an actor. I want to be an actor or I want to be an actor. Which one is the correct option? You need to focus, think about it, try to understand. Let's see which one is the subject. And you tell me. If your answer was, I want to be an actor, excellent job, very good. Okay, so that was it for today. I hope you had a nice time. Remember to keep reviewing this, and I'm also hoping that you have good luck for the exam. Don't forget to keep watching the next videos because believe me, they are going to help you for the exams. and good luck. I'll see you tomorrow here as always. Have a nice day. Goodbye.